Good morning, students. We are discussing about our second chapter. In this video, first we are going to discuss the topic creating and opening a folder. Let's see how can we create a new folder. For that, right click on this blank area of the desktop. Then a shortcut menu appears. Keep the pointer on the option New. A list of sub-options appears. Click on the folder option. Listen children, a new folder icon will be displayed on the desktop. Type a name for the folder and press enter key. Now we created a new folder with file name testing. Now how can we open this folder? To open this folder, keep the pointer on the folder and double click on it. Yes, now it is opened. Next topic we have to discuss is moving or copying a file or folder from one drive to another. In this topic, first let's see how can we move a folder or file from one drive to another. Then we will discuss about how can we copy a folder or file from one drive to another. Okay. How can we move a file or folder from one drive to another? Do you know? What is this drive? Listen children, I'll show you the drives in my computer. Here can you see these icons named as C, D, H? Yes, these are called C drive, D drive, H drive, etc. Now we are going to learn how can we move a file from one drive to another drive. Okay, listen. How can we do it? Here I am going to move a file from D drive to C drive. Listen. So, first open D drive. Select the file Computer Class 5. Listen carefully. Now we are going to move this file to C drive. For that, right click on this file. From this menu, select the option Cut. Then what you have to do? From the left pane, select the F drive. Right click on the blank area and select Paste option. See children? Now that file is pasted in F drive. Then in D drive, will it be there? See, in D drive that is not here. Why? We did cut that file from D drive and pasted that in F drive. That is called moving a file or folder. After moving a file or folder, it won't be there in its original location. Now we have discussed how can we move a file or folder from one drive to another. Next we are going to discuss how can we copy a file or folder from one drive to another. Now we are going to copy a file from D drive to F drive. So first open D drive and select the file or folder we want to copy. Right click on that folder and select copy option from the menu. Now we have to open F drive from the left pane. Yes, F drive is opened. Now we have to paste here. For that, right click on the blank space, select the paste option. Copy to F drive. Children, in D drive, will it be there, the original folder? Let's open D drive from the left pane. Yes, see, original folder Computer Class 5 is here in D drive. The duplicate copy of this folder is pasted to F drive. Now, did you understand the difference of copying a file or folder and moving a file or folder? Moving means shifting it from its original location to another location, whereas copying means create a duplicate copy of the selected file or folder. Okay. Next topic is moving or copying a file or folder between storage devices. Here, see how can we move or copy a file or folder from F drive to my pen drive. How can we do it? Listen, open this PC. Here you can see the drives in my computer. C drive, D drive, E drive, F drive and G drive. To copy a file to pen drive, first we have to connect the pen drive. I am going to connect my pen drive. Listen carefully. Did you see any change? Yes, here one new drive has come now. Drive H. It is the drive for pen drive. Now we have to copy a folder from F drive. For that, open F drive and select the folder need to copy. Right click the mouse on it and we have to select copy option. If we select cut option, what will happen? It will be moved from this F drive. We need to take the duplicate copy of this folder. So select copy option. Yes, now it is copied. Then what you have to do? This copied folder have to paste in pen drive. For that we need to open pen drive. This H drive from left pan, click on it. Yes, H drive is open. Click on blank space and select paste option. See the folder which is named computer class 5 is copied to pen drive. Now let's check what happened in F drive from where we copied this folder. See, the original folder is here itself in F drive. Is it clear? This is the method to copy a file from computer to storage devices like pen drive, CD, etc. Now let's see how can we move a file from computer to pen drive. For that, here in F drive, now I have created a folder with the name computer folder. For moving this folder, we have to right click on it and select cut or copy option. Yes, have to select cut option. For moving a folder, you have to select cut. For copying a folder, you have to select copy option, isn't it? Now the folder is taken from F drive. Now we have to move to pen drive. For that, open pen drive from left pan and right click on the blank space and select the paste option. Now the folder is moved to pen drive. Let's check. Is it in F drive? No, it is not here in F drive. The folder in F drive is moved to pen drive, isn't it? Now let's go to next topic, deleting a file or folder. Select the file or folder you want to delete. Right click on the folder and select delete option from this drop down menu. Yes, it is deleted and moved to where? To recycle bin. Very good. Our next topic to learn is restoring a file or folder. Listen to the screen. Now one folder named computer class 5 in F drive is deleted. We know the deleted files will be in recycle bin. Yes, open recycle bin and check. Yes, it is here. How can we take it back to F drive from where it is deleted? For that, you can do it in two ways. First method, select that particular folder and select restore the particular file option at the top. Second method is select and right click over the particular folder. Here you can see the first option, restore. Click on it. Now what happened? Can you say? Yes, that folder is restored to its original location from where it was deleted. From where was it deleted? Yes, from F drive. Open F drive and check it, whether it is restored or not. Yes, it restored from recycle bin. Did you get how can we restore a deleted file? Okay. Dear children, now we have learned about how can we create and open a folder, how can we move and how can we copy a file or folder from one drive to another, How can we copy or move between storage devices? How can we delete a file and how can we restore a file or folder which is deleted? In the next video, we will discuss about the question answers of this chapter. Thank you.